Sorry about that, guys. My camera just ran out of memory. Making too many videos. So like I said, yeah, we just tighten these top nuts up on the top ball, the upper ball joint. This video is going to show you a lot better. It showed you me taking it all apart, and now it's also showing you me putting it back together in real time instead of me turning it off and turning it on. Gives you a really good idea of how long it actually takes. I don't want to go too long in a video anyway, so it's get a bit monotonous and boring after a while. I'm only just nipping these nuts up. I'm not doing them up as tight as they have to be yet. For the simple fact that maybe, just maybe, I may have to undo them again. Hopefully not. But you never know. There you go, they're all nipped up. Where did I put that nut? I know I put it somewhere. Where did I put it? Okay. How hard is it to find a gold nut? Ah, sorry, it's not gold, it's silver. There it is. And now, as you can see, it's not. The problem I've got right now is my upper control arm is a lot higher than it should be for some reason. So just get the fork, stick it up in here after I get all the grease off it.